In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Photoshop projects step by step, whether they're saved on your computer, showing up in your recent files list, or stored in Adobe Cloud Documents. If you've been cleaning up storage, organizing old work, or just getting rid of unused PSD files, this guide will walk you through everything the right way. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't accidentally delete the wrong thing. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Photoshop tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, we'll cover the main and most important method, deleting a Photoshop project directly from your computer. This is the method you'll use most of the time because Photoshop projects are usually saved as PSD files on your hard drive. Before deleting anything, make sure the project is completely closed inside Photoshop. If the file is still open, go ahead and click File, then Close, or simply close the tab for that project. Once it's closed, open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac and navigate to the folder where your PSD file is saved. If you're not sure where it's located, you can right-click the file name inside Photoshop before closing it and check the file location from there. Once you've found the PSD file, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click Delete. On Windows, this will send the file to your recycle bin. On Mac, it will move to the trash. At this point, the project is not permanently deleted yet. It's still sitting in your recycle bin or trash folder. If you're absolutely sure you no longer need the project, go to your recycle bin, right-click inside it, and choose Empty Recycle Bin. On Mac, open the trash and select Empty. This permanently removes the file from your computer and frees up storage space. Just remember, once you empty it, recovery becomes much harder, so double-check before doing this step. Now let's move on to method number 2, which is removing a project from Photoshop's recent files list. This method does not delete the actual file from your computer. It only removes it from the shortcut list inside Photoshop. This is helpful if you want to declutter your home screen without losing your project. Open Photoshop and go to the home screen, where you see your recent files. Find the project you want to remove. Right-click on that project thumbnail and then click Remove from Recent. That's it. The file will disappear from the list, but it will still exist in its original folder on your computer. If you ever need it again, you can manually open it by going to File and then Open and browsing to its saved location. Finally, let's talk about method number 3, deleting Photoshop projects stored in Cloud Documents. This applies if you save your files to Adobe's cloud instead of your local computer. To delete these, open Photoshop and go to Files, then Your Files, and select Cloud Documents. You'll see a list of all your cloud-saved projects. Find the one you want to delete, right-click on it, and choose Delete. The file will be removed from your cloud storage. Keep in mind that cloud files may also remain in a deleted or archived section for a short time, depending on your Adobe settings, so you can check there if you need to restore something. And that's it. Now you know how to delete Photoshop projects from your computer, remove them from the recent files list, and delete cloud documents safely. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop guides in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.